that I thought is there. Now I'm going to tell about second order differential equation. Second order or higher order differential equation. Second order, higher order, just only addition of the derivatives, added derivatives. So accordingly you can extend it for higher order. In higher order derivatives, we need to use, it is a linear. If it is linear, the solution will be a function of e power mx. Which is the standard solution. Why is standard solution means we can judge the values, we can find the solution of this equation. If it is a linear for first order, the solution will be y equal to mx. Likewise, it is to be extended for higher order. For example, when you solve the second order differential equation, we will be getting auxiliary equation. The roots of the auxiliary equation will be in any category. The roots are equal, the roots are complex, the roots are distinct. For solving the second order differential equation, we need auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation in general format is m squared equal to d squared. M squared equal to d squared, we should substitute. M is equal to dy and y is equal to. This is a substitution to solve the second order differential equation. I tell you why we have to choose d squared y equal to m squared, y is equal, why we should choose dy equal to m, and why we should choose y is equal to 1 means. If you take any first order differential equation, the solution will be in the form of e power mx. E power mx. After substituting the y equal to mx in the differential equation, we will be getting some quadratic equations. The quadratic equation will be in the structure of m squared plus a times with the constant b times y is equal to 0. So this is the standard solution, simple way to solve this equation. Now, just I am taking an example. Example, d squared y plus dy plus y is equal to 0. Simple equations. D squared y plus d is equal to y plus y is equal to. Now just substitute. What is that? What we want to substitute? D squared equal to m squared. So the auxiliary equation is m squared plus m plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation. You can solve the quadratic equation. The solution of the quadratic equation is m is equal to minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 divided by 2. By substituting minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. If you substitute like this, you will be getting the roots. The root is a complex number. That is minus 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 3 divided by 2. Now, this part is real part. You know that this part is real part. The another part is complex number part. So you can write like this: alpha plus I beta. You can write the complex number in the form of alpha plus I beta. Whenever it is alpha plus I beta, the complementary function. The complementary function is a e power alpha x into a cos beta x plus b is now. This is the solution whenever it is complex number. Now alpha equal to what? Minus 1 by 2, beta is equal to root 3 by 2. So what will be the result? E power minus x by 2 a cos root 3 by 2x plus b sin root 3 divided by 2x. Root 3 divided by 2x. So this is the complementary function. The right hand side is no functions of x. So the solution will be y is equal to generally complementary function plus particular method. In this case, what? E power minus x by 2 a cos root 3 divided by 2x plus b sin root 3 divided by 2x. And this only d squared plus dy plus y is equal to 1. Actually, the derivation is there. Why you have choosing like this? The derivations are not only required for solving the differential equation. It is a theory part. The theory part are not usually shaped by the various experiments. For engineering level, you know how to solve the differential equation itself. Now, this is one of the category. The roots may be real, the roots may be complex, the roots may be distinct. This category is the root is a complex number. Another example I tell you. Another example is the roots are real numbers, real and equal. So after a particular case, I will write the general case. Here the second example is d squared y plus 4dy plus 4y equal to 2. Now substitute d squared y, what I said here, d squared y equal to m squared, dy equal to n, y is equal to. Then substitute like this, the auxiliary equation is what? M squared plus 4m plus 4 equal to 2. So what? Now you can write m plus 2 equal to 1 squared is equal to 0, m equal to minus 2 twice, 2 times. So m is equal to minus 2 is a root, but the root is repeated twice. So in this case, the complementary function is e power minus mx, general format is ax plus b. What is m? M is equal to minus 2. So e power minus 2x, ax plus b. So likewise, you can extend for the higher orders. You can extend for higher order. If it is second order, it is e power minus 2x, ax plus b. Suppose the root is m plus 2 whole cube. M plus 2 whole cube means how many times repeated 2? That is m equal to minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. 3 times. So what is the complementary function? Complementary function is e power minus 2x into ax squared, ax squared plus bx plus c like this. If it is second order, 2 arbitrary constants will exist. If it is third order, 3 arbitrary constants will exist. Now you can say what is the answer tell me for m plus 2 whole power for fourth order? What is it for fourth order? For fourth order, so how many times the 2 will be repeated? 4 times. Yes, we said is correct. 4 times. Therefore, complementary function is e power minus 2x, ax cube plus bx squared, cx plus d. How many arbitrary constants exist? 4 arbitrary constants. Because what? Fourth order. So, if you know about the second order, obviously you can extend into the higher order. So, now this is the example for real and equal. Now, another category. Real for unequal case. Real number for unequal case. Example, d squared y plus 3dy plus 2y equal to 2y equal to 0. As usual, what I said, d squared y equal to m squared, dy equal to m, y is equal to 1. We substitute for auxiliary equations to write an auxiliary equation. So what? M squared plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. So it is very well known to everybody. It is a ordered equations. So it has the 2 roots. What is the root? The root will be m plus 2, next to what? M plus 1. So when you multiply this together, which becomes m squared plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. So what is the answer? Minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1. Even though the roots are real, so the number is real, but the roots are different. So what is the complementary constant? A e power minus 2x, b e power minus 6. General formula is a e power m1x plus b e power m2x. A e power m1x plus b e power m2x. m1 equal to minus 2 or m2 equal to minus 2. So it may be anything. Now you can extend into higher order. You can extend into higher order. Suppose the root is m is equal to minus 2, minus 3, minus 2. What is that? Minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, or minus 1, minus 2. Or maybe any sequence. Now, what you have to do, you have to extend accordingly. Now, the complementary function is a e power minus 2x. What is the next root? Minus 3 plus b e power minus 3x plus c e power minus x. Able to understand? So, hope you understand. So accordingly, the arbitrary constant will increase. Arbitrary constant will increase. Now I am asking for fourth order. Fourth order. Suppose m is equal to minus 4